Hello and welcome everyone. This is Less Than a Minute. Today we're going to talk about the difference between on time and in time. Normally, because they're close in the meaning, they're interchangeable. But let's try to understand the correct and significant meaning for each one. On time means punctual or according to a schedule. In time means not late or early enough. For example, when I say, my car broke down, I'm not gonna be able to go to work in time or on time. Here it doesn't make a difference to say in time or on time. But for example, another thing about one of my friends, he's always late. So I came to him and I said, please come today on time, be punctual. That's another example. To give an example that sums up the whole thing, I did not arrive to the cinema on time, but I still arrived in time to watch the whole movie. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and stay safe.